Hello and welcome to this launch. This is another course content of mine. I've developed a learning management system, and on this one you are going to look at the integrated management systems for food safety. And here I'm going to look at the ISO/IEC 17025, the 2017 version, and the ISO 22000 2018. So as I've said, it is integrated since we are looking at two ISO specifications, and on this one, the outlook, the preview of the course, this is what we have as a pitch. How can your organization ensure both laboratory competence and food safety across the entire food chain? This course empowers food industry professionals to master the integration of ISO/IEC 17025 2017 and ISO 22000 2018 standards, providing a robust framework for quality compliance and continual improvement. You will explore the essential requirements for each standard, learn how to align laboratory operations with food safety management, and discover practical strategies for risk-based thinking, hazard analysis, and system integration. By the end, you'll be prepared to interpret, implement, and contribute to a unified management system that ensures competence, impartiality, and food safety, driving excellence in your organization. So just to highlight, since there are two ISO documents that are involved, the 17025 majorly dwells on the laboratory practice, good laboratory practice, GLP, and the 22000 is on food safety management. So this is the development interface of the LMS. I'm yet to have it published, but I'm going to do so by the end of this video, by the end of this recording. So when we preview it, this is how the interface will be on your laptop. There it is. You can see there my name, Victor Wino, Integrated Management Systems for Safety, for Food Safety, ISO/IEC 17025 2017. And this is the pitch that I had earlier read out, and then these ones are the learning outcome. As it is, it's simple to navigate through the interface. You'll just go in and start course. Again, it is a total of 11 lessons, lesson 1 of 11. So on the interface, you have your title, the body, and it is an interactive. I've made sure that the content is interactive so that I keep you as my learner engaged to it. So when you click on continue, more information arrives, and you will also notice that I've used quite a number of the flip charts. So like this one, FSMS, we have clearly defined it here. It is food safety management system. So if you click on it, it's supposed to turn and give you the definition, a set of interrelated, and it goes on also for food safety hazard, laboratory competence, and you can again do the clickbacks to again see the titles. When you press on continue, it goes on like that, and by the end of it all, you'll have like a small quiz just to gauge your interaction and the retention, your knowledge retention. So it is interesting, and I'd urge all of you to come and check it out.